Happy Hanukkah! We're gonna save Christmas. Now that's just nonsense. What the heck? You and 60 years. I really need to moisturize more. Holiday class.
What the heck? I don't know. I don't know you. Oh, I know you quite well. That's how come you woke up in bed with me last night. Duh. That's really weird how you asked me, like, are you in my house? What? Like, you were sleeping, I was just in your room. Oh, yeah. And your mom was like, oh, yeah, sure, she's in her room. I'm like, okay. And I came in here just, like, sleeping in your bed. I woke up to you and just, like, turned over me. I don't want to just, like, she's sleeping. Punch me in the face.